Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've protected this 2022 Bentley Bentayga with a Halo Plus immobiliser. So this protects the vehicle from key cloning, relay attack and so on if someone was to clone the key. It also will alert the customer to their phone and has live tracking. So I'll just demonstrate how it works. So a thief hops in, goes to steal the vehicle, starts up, and you'll have a silent immobilisation that alerts you. So they select a gear, vehicle's going to switch off, and the customer will get a text and a phone call to confirm that the vehicle's been attacked if they're away. As you can see, it's ringing the customer's phone now. It will just answer this. We'll also get a text to confirm it's been attacked. In the event the thief then tries to start the vehicle a second time, you'll hear the loud immobilisation. So this triggers the horn and alerts everyone else around it that it's going off. So we'll just open the window so you can hear it. Now if we select a gear, it's going to stall, horn's going to go mad, and the only way to stop it is with the code. So select a gear, it's gone mad, pop the code in. There you go, disarm the system. If a thief was obviously in the vehicle, that horn would run the full cycle. The only reason it stops is because we put the code in. But once again, getting another phone call from the vehicle to let us know that there's been another attempt on it. So if you're away, you'll be alerted straight away. Along with this, it's also got full live tracking. In the event you want to track the vehicle, locate it, you can see statuses on the doors and so on. It's fully connected to the phone, so you don't have to be near the vehicle to see the status of it. Obviously, if the vehicle isn't getting attacked and the customer's using it in day-to-day scenarios, how it works is they'll just hop in, start it up, go through the push sequence they choose, receive a double bleep, and the vehicle can be driven. If you're not a fan of push sequences, you can also pair the phone up, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth on for that. So with the phone in the vehicle, if the customer's just to drive it with their Bluetooth on, all they've got to do is start it up, get their double bleep, and they can select it. Just like a normal vehicle, nothing changes. Customer wants to take it for a service, all they've got to do, go into the Starline key app, press and hold, go from green to yellow, sorry. When it does, let go, one long tone, and this is now a normal vehicle. So no immobiliser fitted, Bentley can drive it around their workshop, do what they need to do. When you get it back, press and hold, and it comes out. What we'll do, we'll just turn the Bluetooth off on this phone, give it 10 seconds to set, and we'll show you how it immobilises and how it protects the vehicle. So the Bluetooth's off. A thief's now come to the vehicle, they've cloned the key, or they broke into your house and stole the key. They hop in the vehicle, try drive it away, select a gear, and as soon as they do, vehicle switches off. They'll be none the wiser that the customer's going to be alerted. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching. So we'll just show you from the outside. First stall is a silent immobilisation. As you can see, the customer will be alerted, and then the second time they attempt to do it, the horn's going to go crazy. As you saw from the inside, the only way to immobilise it, or to stop the horn from sounding, is with the code.